What's up, guys? So we're going to out on a Friday night. We're going to Young Sati, and we're gonna get some ice cream at Kring's Ice Cream. So we'll see you in a minute. Bye. All right, so we're at Young Sati. It looks empty, but we'll see what it tastes like. See, it normally looks just like potatoes and meat. What do you think?
I think I was full from your chicken.
What did I say before we left? You ate too much chicken.
But it was just good. No, I'm gonna eat from yours.
Okay, let's try. Let's see. Go ahead, baby. What's the best seller? What do you think is best?
Chicken sati, tapos beef sati, at
Kolma, chicken satay, beef satay, chula. Okay, we'll do the chula itum. Yeah. That's what you recommended, right? What's inside these empanadas?
parang wala ng price.
Hmm?
Mas ano daw, people like better.
Okay, we'll do that then.
I like the rice. Check it. He's gonna check if Java rice is available.
Okay.
Is it the first time you come to Cebu? From Cebu or?
In Cebu they have it all the time, but
Yeah, here ba?
no, they don't have puso here.
Yeah, is this the first you saw one?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, wala ba din may delivery rider?
Chicken barbecue looks interesting.
Okay na.
Okay.
It's ready na.
Now, you want to ask them if they want candy?
Candy lang na Isa lang sa pag-gift ko maog duha ka Canada.
Do you like candy?
Candy.
Aslong
Candy lang.
aslong kaayo. You want to try? You want candy too? Aslong. Yeah.
Try.
You're welcome.
Try. Ayaw duha ha. I'm full.
Yeah.
Aslong no. Dapat ipagubang na ako.
It's sweet after. It's just sour at first.
Wala ra na siya. Ang aslong. Taon-taon. Daw, sige daw. Unang daw.
I know. All right.
Pansit and panat.
Well, they didn't sell any oranges, but they seemed happy with the candy, so that's good.
Bakit naman iba na lang mag-isa?
Do you want to try it?
Let's see.
Iwan ka na nila na.
It is
It's like bacon inside.
yeah.
Hindi naman lahat ng tao ganun.
This is the first time I'll try this. I thought it's really good.
Sanay ka na maiwan. Buti ka pa sanay. Buti ka pa sanay maiwan. Ako hindi.
They're coming back.
Ito lang?
No?
The crust is good. The crust.
Crust is good? Okay.
To try it. I will film you.
No oranges.
Ayaw na lang hayo.
got toge inside. Mine had toge.
It's different.
Yeah.
Let's try this.
Try this one.
Palit orange.
Really. It's pretty good. I wish it was crispier.
I think it's better if it's hot.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. I know.
Your audience.
Well, they want a shout out? Shout out to vlog? It was good. Java rice.
Am I gonna eat first? Let's
No. Yeah, all your utensils come in a bucket of hot water here to keep them clean, which is nice. It's super tender. It's like big chunks of beef. Let's see. Let's try the rice by itself. Rice is good, super hot. Like heat, not spicy. Let's try it.
Wow, it smells super curry.
It is very like curry flavored. Beef is nice, it's soft. I think Kuya was right, this is a nice like nice choice. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Yo, manok, kita mo manok.
What do you think?
It's super flavorful, super soft.
Ayun.
It's not bad for beef. The price.
It's like chicken.
Kadali lang.
Not bad.
And it comes with a Sprite. So 2 rice, beef, curry, and a Sprite for $1.60, which is about $2.50. Plus some cute kids to give some sour candy too. So it's a nice little dinner. We're gonna go get ice cream after this, right? Still want ice cream?
Yeah, that's what I'm craving for.
Okay. We'll be back for ice cream. All right, so we're done with the curry. I thought it was pretty good. It was definitely late at night. You could tell those guys were kind of tired of working, right?
Yeah.
They were like, I don't know what time they opened, but I think they closed at 10 or 9 or 10 or something. So they probably have worked 12-hour days. But maybe that'd be good to come for lunch when it's a little fresher. But this area has a bunch of stuff. What's this area called?
This is Jacinto, Fatima Street. Yeah.
Jacinto
This is Dear Ateneo.
Lear Ateneo School and Santa Ana High School. So,
Oh, that's one of your favorites.
yeah, Bastille, Ponce Bastille Barbecue. This is the first place I came in Davao when I came here.
Oh, there's the ice cream.
Yeah. Across the street. You can tell it rained here too because some of the cars are still wet. We were lucky we avoided all of that.
Or maybe they just from travel.
Yeah. All right.
You should just get one
Just get one.
cup, then go to Chatok Chak.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Ice cream.
No, thank you. Creme brulee, blue ternate, blue ternate. Do you have that? No, no
I
stocks.
think we tried the cream brulee before. Blueberry swirl. That
Out of stock po ang blueberry swirl. Natay tiramisu, s'mores. Nahutnan po big durian, ganina lang.
sea salt.
Yes, may naa.
Okay. Ang muskmelon ba?
Mas melo, wala po siya. Hotdog po.
Kuan lang ako ng wafer.
Wafer lang.
Ano, duha ka scoop at ano? Pwede lahi.
Pwede ba?
Isa ka sea salt o
Isa kasi salt o.
triple chocolate.
Na.
Saka,
Can we try it? Is that helpful?
you wanna try?
Do you want to try before you get the whole scoop?
I'm gonna get... I tried that before.
I'm
But
saying they have little spoons. Usually you can taste it before you buy the whole scoop.
Pwede i-try ko. What do you wanna try ko?
What are you buying?
The ano?
So you're not eating ice cream, but you're picking all the flavors?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat, that's mine pa. I'm gonna eat that.
Okay.
That's mine, I'm decided to eat na.
Okay. How about the creme brulee? Can I try that one?
Popsicle sticks ba?
Thank you.
Purple ano?
Sorry, wala. No, baby, charcoal. Sobra po, dili po na mo ma-display kay wala na yung space. Wanna try avocado?
Avocado? Sure.
Diyan na siguro. Kay sayahang spoon.
Oh. Okay.
Kay sa una nami pretend siya sa popsicle sticks kaso wala naman kuan gi allowed ni madam.
Ube with cheese.
Ooh. Ube with cheese. Little fat cat. How's your ice cream, baby?
I like it. It's triple chocolate and then sea salt caramel. Sea salt caramel?
39. Thank you.
Yeah, there's definitely cheese in that. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I don't know if you can see behind me. There's like a little book, like a library, Japanese restaurant ice cream. You like it?
Food and ice cream.
You want to try the ube with cheese?
Well, my mine is melting already. Ube is good.
Yeah, your sea salt one's nice too.
I know. That's my favorite, sea salt.
Okay, we're gonna eat these before they melt. Now we'll see you. All right. Now we're gonna walk to Chatuchuk, which is like a milk tea place. So she wants ice cream and milk tea now, and isao. But for some reason, she couldn't take more than one bite of my beef curry. It's weird how she has a second stomach for desserts.
Yeah, there's always a room for dessert.
Is there a saying for that here?
Yeah.
There's not like a Visaya saying. It's just there's always room.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
English. We're half Bisaya, half English speaking now.
True. But yeah, the ice cream was good. That's the third time someone tried to sell us stuff in like 15 minutes. The little girls were selling oranges. Another little boy came up to sell me oranges. And then the guy came with his sales pitch on the peanuts. But he wanted like 100. If it was 50 pesos, I would have bought it. But he wanted 100. And I'm like, well, you can buy a kilo for 100. I'm not going to buy 100 grams from him for that much. But anyway, we'll see what else we get sold here on the street. And then behind me is Doc's Hub, which is like a karaoke bar hangout place for college kids, since this is near the college here. But anyway, we'll be back when we're at Chatuchuk. Chatuchak.
Is there a branch in Cebu for Chatuchak?
I think there's Chatuchak in Cebu, but it's supposed to be Thai street cafe. There's also a Chatuchak market we're gonna go to in Thailand
Yeah.
in January.
This is my favorite
Yeah. Okay.
milk tea shop.
Okay. Well, let's go in. I don't know if I can record because it's like inside of a place, but we'll see. So if I didn't like pistachio, why did you make me order it?
So you'll change your mind.
So I have to
That's
like
it.
pistachio.
Yeah. You have to like what I like. You have to like what I like. So next is balot. It's cute cafe. I can't wait to try the Thai milk tea.
In Thailand?
Yeah. The real
And mango sticky rice. And pad thai.
pad thai, tom yum,
Tom yum, chicken soup.
pad krapao, the roti Nutella. I memorized it.
Yeah, we got a lot of food places on our list for Thailand in January. She wants to go to all the Michelin restaurants. That
You
are,
don't want to wait the long line.
yeah, I don't want to wait in a long line. But luckily we're staying in Old Town, so it should be easier. It's less like touristy area, I think. Wow. All right. What's yours again?
Okay, roasted Okinawa. With a milk tea. Oops. Oh.
Yeah.
Very good.
Is it roasted?
Try it, try
Does
it.
it taste like Okinawa?
Yeah. Try it. It's really good, right?
So many pearls. It's good.
What about the drink?
I've got so much in here. I don't even know what's going on.
That's my favorite. I forced you to order that.
Wow. That's chocolatey. It's so chocolate. Like
It's
dark
good.
chocolate.
The last time I let you try it, you said it's not good.
Yeah. I think I was in a bad mood, maybe.
Now you change your mind.
Wow. That's great.
I told you.
It's like drinking solid chocolate ice cream. It's like great. Super neon too.
You know, pistachio is very popular these days.
Pistachios have been popular for like 10,000 years of American agriculture.
But here in the Philippines, it's
In the Philippines,
gotten very popular.
it took the last 3 years though, the Philippines have got the pistachio market on lock.
Oh,
I was looking at some Shopee pistachios. Because they're good just to eat. Like just the nut. Have you ever had just pistachio nuts?
no.
People don't eat nuts here, just peanuts. Which are technically a legume. So they're like baton. They're like
Oh, yeah.
beans. Yeah, this is good. You want to try it? We know you're going to like it.
I know. It's my favorite. That's why I forced you to order this. You're ano pa? You're contemplating whether to get this or not. Good.
We'll see if we go anywhere after this. I think we're going to be pretty full, so I don't know what to do. Try not to drink any more Red Horse for a while, so we'll see what we do. There's a bunch of kids outside with a guitar waiting for us to leave so they can ask for money, so maybe we'll try to video record that. Bye.